photos yesterday in Mi Peru, Ventanilla, Callao. And now we're headed to Macaja Beach with Victor. So, do our first jump in the Pacific. Victor, you have anything you want to share about the...
Yeah, I think I'm still processing. It's still like unbelievable to me, the experiences and what Nauru has fed me through the few days that I've been here in Lima. It was a very rich few days here. It felt like I've been here for years. Was the love, the experience, the people I met, and also just being able to touch lives through Nauru within a short period of time. It was also, like it was very powerful, and I'm just listo for everything. I'm ready, so I'm throwing in a few Spanish words that I picked from here. I'm just ready for what's coming. And the sun that is rising, that is Nauru, which I think is going to be a very huge global movement. So right now, as my final day in Lima, I'm very happy but sad at the same time. Happy for the experience and for having to come here. It wasn't a risk. I was coming to my family, Francisco, and the family and the people here. And the welcoming was just so poderoso, like it was super powerful, and I'm just so glad that I made the decision to come here after a while of not traveling the world, and so I wasn't sure if I'm ready to go out, but now I'm just super ready to travel and share my experiences through Nauru, which is Nairobi to Peru. If you've been following videos now, you understand. And I just want to welcome everybody who's touched by this movement to join and support in every way that you can. You can be a resource to Nauru in one way or the other. So now, as the last day, I'm gonna ground, and Francisco is taking me to jump into the Pacific Ocean, which would be my second time at the Pacific Ocean. Yeah, so I really look forward to, and I'm processing everything that is happening, not taking for granted every opportunity and everything and everyone that comes my way. Attitude of gratitude has been the theme for this trip, and resilience as well. And as we jump into the new city, Cusco, the mountains, I just want to express my gratitude. I have so much to say, but I want to express my gratitude first and foremost to my partner, Papa, and mentor, Francisco Morales Morales, for having me here and for being such a great host, for giving me time to process and take in everything a day at a time. And also just understanding where I come from, because for him to be a great host, he's been in Kenya a couple of times, so he understands. That's what I'm saying, he's more than family, so he understands me, and he really appreciates when I need time to pole. He was here as the organizer, and he was on the go, but also could understand. I could tell that he was connecting to my spirit. When I needed to go slow, he would have to slow down. So those little things for me, I think, really count. And so that is why for me, Nauru, I invite anybody with like that kind of energy to join us in rolling this and making it a dream come true. This is a rolling ball already, so decide if you want to roll with it, and you're welcome to join. It is voluntary and open for everyone around the world, because Nauru is not gonna be a Nairobi thing. Nauru just started in Nairobi, Peru, but it's gonna be a global movement that I welcome everybody. So as I step into the Pacific Oceans, I want to really connect to the spirit of the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean connects to different places, and I just want to express my gratitude for that spirit being with me in Lima for the days, and also helping me connect with people. As far as anything, I think everything was perfect for me. People think this is lip service, but I can't believe it. It was like heaven on earth for me. And that's the reason I'm sad that I'm leaving, because if I wasn't sad, then it would not be good. But I'm very sad. I'm not going home. I'm going to Cusco, which is also a powerful land. But I'm really sad that I'm leaving Lima and the people and the love. So yeah, without saying much, I have so much to say. I don't think I can say in the video, but if you want something, or if you want to hear something from me, let us know in the comment section, and I'll definitely address that on the video. Yeah, gracias. And so now we're jumping into the Pacific Ocean.
Company of VW is in Mexico, so there's a lot down there.
Ah. Yeah, so guys, you see traffic. I told you we were gonna talk to Francisco.
Attitude of gratitude. It's very grateful. Can't really put it into words right now, but it inspired a lot of people. Every kid smiled, and everyone who came to teach wanted more. Beautiful vibration. The exchange inspires everyone, and Victor's presence, like, he didn't stop. And when he did stop, it was because he felt a profound light, and he had to stop and savor it and marinate in it. And that's when we went to Ventanilla in Callao, and he taught the class to the kids. It reminded him a little bit more of the slums at home, he mentioned, of Quibera. And we're gonna keep the flow going. Nauru is a beautiful collaboration with very creative, like-hearted people with a lot of courage. Corazón, coraje, that's the theme. Resilience. And the resilience in the kids through the arts, through the martial arts, through salsa, through Afrobeats, through breaking. It's taking a life. So we welcome everyone to join. Like Victor was saying, this is more. They're fine. They're getting the whistle because someone's like caught in the wake.
Ah.
Yeah, but there's a lot of people out there.
Yeah, so this is Pacific Ocean.
So
Final day grounding.
So this is Makaha Beach. A lot of Hawaiians came here years ago, and there's a big surfing culture in Peru, and the Hawaiians were like big supporters of it. When they came and they named this beach Makaha. There's a lot of rocks on the beach here, so the ocean comes in, and on the way out it makes this sound as the water moves through the rocks. This is where I learned to surf. Let's go jump in the water over there then.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It's last day.
Got sealed and naked.
Oh, damn. What is this?
Sealed.
There's a pool here that's dead, if you see. Life comes and life goes. You see how beautiful it is. People surfing behind me. This is the land of Peru, Lima. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Poderoso, very powerful, you know. I don't even have words to describe it. It's so powerful. You're just moving with gratitude. A day at a time and appreciating. Let me know what you want to know. Pacific Ocean. This is my first day at the Pacific Ocean. My second day actually. My first experience with Pacific Ocean and encounter was in LA. And yeah, it was powerful. Just love the waves and everything. And so this is my second step into Pacific Ocean. Yeah, and I'm just appreciating every moment of it, you know. Yeah. So I'm gonna go into the ocean. Very powerful, guys. I stepped on 2 urchins and we're gonna try and remove them. I don't think it's really bad. Yeah, but Francisco says we should. Oh man, I feel good. Woo.
Yeah, I've stepped on like 50 of them.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not bad if you have strong feet. Some people who walk in shoes too much, their feet, it goes deep, you know. But when you walk without shoes, the urchin is not bad.
Yeah, but let's talk about the experience, man. You saw when I went into the ocean, and you see me now. It's like poderoso. No, but there's nothing to remove here. Yeah, it was painful, but it's okay for me. Yeah, I don't feel the pain anymore. So I'm gonna step back in. So we're gonna jump into the water again. This is where Francisco learned how to surf. And we came out here to remove urchins, but there's really nothing. So we're gonna go back in. We have like 40 minutes in the Pacific Ocean again. And so yeah, we can't stop. We're gonna go back in, bro.
Yeah,
Let's go, buddy. So this time I'm not gonna film. I hope you guys had enough of it. I showed you me going in and coming out, and you saw the energy. So you know why you need to be here with us. Yeah, I think it's really powerful, and I've been really experiencing high spirits in Peru, Lima. And I think this trip was very articulated, like having me here on the last day. It's like, so like yesterday I was processing a lot. Even coming here, I didn't have this energy that I'm having now. But look at me now. Ooh, ooh, listo! You have something to say? Look at him.
Let's go back
After
in the
your
water.
birthday, bro.
What a freak.
Oh! So, when the waves come, they're very strong, and then they come with the rocks. So the rocks hit and massage you, and it's just so beautiful. So, went into the water. Now it's time to go. I don't want to go. Oh, I don't want to go. I want to leave here.
You have a home. You have a home here.
See.
The synergy,
See.
the synergy house is always here.
Oh man, I appreciate it, man. And the beauty of it, you look on this other side. There is the cliff. You see how beautiful the cliff is? Oh man, it's just, when I say poderoso, I mean poderoso. Yeah, it's just so powerful. You would think because it's chilly that I will be cold, but no, this water gives you like energy. Yeah, so I don't know what to say, man. Attitude of gratitude, you know? Yeah, I'm so grateful for this whole experience. And now, vamos, we gotta go. But even when I go, I leave my spirits here. I'm probably gonna carry one stone, one very colorful stone. Let's go, maybe I find a stone somewhere. I want to find something like this, but a little bit smaller, so I can carry it into the tray. So, the rocks are massaging my Woo! Yeah. Man. Variety of rocks, you see? So beautiful. Tell me what I should get, this or this. Let me know what you like in the comment section, so that when I go back to Kenya and I remember Peru, Lima, I'll be holding it in my arms, you know. Very colorful, very beautiful. I can't make a decision, guys. I can't make a decision. I think I'm gonna go with this. Sawa sawa, until I see you again, Pacific Ocean. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. guys, I really love this car, you know, all this gold. So yeah, on this side you see the Pacific Ocean. I just stepped out of the ocean and you see this cliff behind me. This is the beauty I'm walking around. And so we just finished swimming at the Pacific Ocean and we're taking off to Cusco now. We're going to the airport and then head to Cusco. Keep liking, sharing, subscribe, and we'll keep you posted on everything. Vamos! Vamos, amigos! I'm at the Callao airport in Lima. We're going to take a flight to Cusco. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to. I'm already on Cusco mode. Cusco mode actually, and I'll keep you posted on everything. I hear it's the mountains. It's gonna be my first time at Cusco, but I'm very. I don't know the word. I lack words for it. No words. Yeah, so follow me, my journey in Peru, and I'll keep you posted on everything. So something you always want to try and avoid is to exceed, to be charged for extra kilos. And so we're gonna try my bag to see how many kgs. Last time coming from Kenya, I was charged because I had too much luggage. And guess what, guys? Maximum is 23 kg. We are charged 20.08. Muchas gracias. We're in pain. Shit. Yeah? Or thank you. Very welcome. So guys, en route to Cusco. We're at the airport right now. And I never had this. A mixture of mango, orange and banana. It's called what?
It's just a normal mix. Like, yeah, we mix a lot of juices here. So much fruit to eat, so we can be really creative with the different juices and the mixtures of the juices. This one that Victor is having is orange mango banana, which is delicious. The banana and the mango give it some thickness, and the orange adds a little bit of sweet and some of the vitamin C medicine. Vitamin C is the best medicine to have.
Yeah, I've been having the best juice and also food. And we are at this restaurant in the airport. Francisco, you tell me about this restaurant.
This restaurant, it's called Tanta, and it was started by the most known chef in the country, and his name is Gaston Acurio, and he started to popularize the Peruvian cuisine internationally, and he also wanted to make really good Peruvian dishes that were accessible and affordable to everyone in Peru, because when the Peruvian cuisine started to grow, he had some really expensive restaurants that were in big demands with Europeans and Americans and people who came from outside of Peru. So this restaurant Tanta is good Peruvian local cuisine that's very affordable for everyone. So there are a lot of them in different places. He also has another sandwich shop that's really popular in the big city.
Yeah, so this is where we are. We're gonna have lunch before we fly out to Cusco. I'm having the great combo, which is the green rice.
Yes.
And chicken. I'll show you guys. Keep following, all right? Yeah, in the meantime, I'm also uploading for you videos. You see, we're working for Victors with Victor as we're eating, no sleep. Now we're moving. Vamos. All right. The great combo is here, guys. You see? Looks really yummy, yeah? Looks good. And I have my orange mango banana. And so this is what I'm gonna have for lunch. So huge, massive. Yeah, and Guru is being Guru.
That's pollo con arroz verde. Guru just wants to eat with his hands again.
Say it
today.
again.
That's pollo con arroz verde y salsa a la huancaína. So, the arroz verde in this chicken dish is really traditional Peruvian food. And it's with a sauce called huancaína sauce.
Oh, gracias, mucho gracias.
Muchas gracias. Huancaína sauce is from Huancayo. It's kind of spicy a little bit, but the spice is a tasty spicy from a yellow pepper. That we have different types of pepper. This one's yellow, so it's not spicy that it burns your mouth, but it's spicy that it gives it flavor.
Yeah, so green rice, that's what I'm gonna be eating, you see? Let me just have a taste of it. Taste it as you guys watch, eh? So we have banana plantain, senor.
Yeah.
I'll start with the plantain, eh? This is like ready banana and then they fry it.
They cook it, yeah, a little bit.
Damn, so good. So good. Then, what sauce is this?
That's so that's the arroz verde
Arroz verde.
with choclo, which is the corn, really thick corn kernels. And
Wow.
some Creole. This is called the Creole sauce, which is onions, a little bit of lime, some peppers. These peppers are a little bit more spicy.
I'm gonna have the rice now. The green rice. So tasty. So yummy. Alright guys, let me enjoy my meal. So guys, finally boarding. Cusco calling. Yeah. Francisco has to check in his bag. Cusco calling. Yeah guys, if you didn't come, Peru is calling you. So make sure you follow. Finally boarded. We got the seat by the window. So I'm gonna see us leaving the mount. Ah, we're leaving there.
We're leaving out of the desert and landing into the mountains.
Ah, so yes. So I look forward to seeing that view. Yeah, ready, steady. Vamos.
Información de seguridad. Si es un chaleco salvavidas, lo encontrará debajo del asiento. Retírelo de la bolsa, páselo sobre su cabeza, abroche la cinta en la parte delantera y ajústela a la cintura. Al salir del avión, inflelo tirando la manilla roja o soplando por la boquilla. Puede seguir todas estas indicaciones en la tarjeta de información de seguridad en el bolsillo del asiento. Muchas gracias.
Do whatever you please.
You can find all this information in the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Thank you.
Muchas
El carro
gracias.
tarde de
So guys, we're leaving Lima. Finally, me and Francisco are working for the airline. That's why they placed us at the emergency exit. So we hope we're gonna get paid when?
We don't want to get paid because we don't want any emergency to happen. So we don't want to get paid.
But we're still working. So what's funny, you see the Salida exit? So this is the exit. If any emergency happens, then we are the first to fly. There's a wing here. So when you step out, you step on the wing.
But come back to Lima. It's waiting for you.
And you come to Lima. closer to touching down. Look at the mountains of Cusco, ladies and gentlemen. Just look at the beauty. And the sun is bathing it. Oh my God. Look at that. Let me zoom. Probably won't affect the quality of the video. You see what I'm talking about? Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. Touchdown, Cusco. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just show you everything. But we made it. Landing safe. Did it, brother. We did it.
Did it work? Cusco?
We did it.
We're in the belly button. We're in the navel. Cusco.
I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling blessed. Attitude of gratitude still the theme, and we're still moving by belly button, Cusco. Muchas gracias.
You're the star, bro. I'm just the director.
El parte se realiza por delantero y posterior del avión.
Touchdown, Cusco. Gentlemen, I lift up my head because I know I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Made it to Cusco. Belly bottom. Yeah, look at the beauty. Look at the beauty.
In Quechua, they pronounce Cusco.
Cusco.
It means belly button. Yeah.
See. All right, we're gonna show you everything in belly button. Yes.
It's where we connect to the mother. It's the rich earth.
Oh man, it feels good being here, man. I feel blessed. Attitude of gratitude. All day, every day. You already know.
Victors with Victor.
Victor.
Cusco is the epicenter of the Inca Empire.
Uh-huh.
This is the richness of Peru. The more like the heart of Peru, you know. So this is Cusco. This is where the Incas made the center of the empire because of the variety of earth and climates, and the agriculture, and the food is rich, and the people respect the earth like a goddess here. You don't fuck with her. You don't put shit on her. You know, you treat her like.
You thought Lima was
treat her like the
powerful.
queen.
Wait and see, you already see the background.
Yeah, you treat her like the queen here. So we're gonna go pick up our bag, and then our friend Wilbert is picking us up and taking us to Arim Calca. We're gonna be at the bottom of the waterfall of Arim. That's right, Victor's with Victor. You guys are in for a treat. A delicious treat, a tasty treat. Come taste the treat.
Yeah, you see the joy in our faces and the energy. Poderoso. So if you love this and if you like this, please check out synergy.yoga on Instagram or go to the Synergy website. What's the Synergy website again?
Synergy.yoga is the website as well. Yep.
Yeah, and be sure to join Synergy in their journeys and get to experience what I've experienced here, and I'm continuing experiencing in Peru.
I'm so happy to have Victor here with us.
Man, we are
In
grateful
Cusco,
for you, bro.
in Costco, the
We are
belly
grateful
button,
for
yes
you.
we are.
Woo! You already know.
We're the weavers of alpaca.
So this is made from alpacas.
So this ad here is for alpaca sweaters. It's alpaca is the wool of the llamas that we're gonna see with Victor. We're gonna go meet the main weavers of the traditional weaving art of Peru that they communicated through the weavings. So these textiles have a lot of cultural